Alright everyone, today we're diving into a repair for this 45mm Apple Watch Series 8. Let's break down the issues we're facing. First off, after giving it a full charge and powering it up, the device is stuck in a boot loop, constantly restarting. Secondly, take a look at this back cover. The original one was completely shattered. We've already replaced the back, hoping that would solve the charging issue, but it's still acting up. It's even giving some strange feedback, almost like it's glitched out. Since the back cover was previously smashed, there's a high chance of water damage or internal corrosion. It's time to open it up, inspect the internals. And see exactly what's going on inside. And there we go. The Series 8 is officially back in action. Problem solved.